jump in. That's the thing for me about this Oregon State team is I don't think we've seen their best gymnastics. They're going to break into the top 20. Kayla Bird, the freshman from Chandler, Arizona, is also coming off a season and career high on this event. 9-8 in back-to-back meets. She's been in the bars lineup every meet this year. She'll be on 3 events today.
Nice combination, stalled her to the bail handstand, legs glued together. Her release move comes right here at the end of the routine. Tkachev hung up a little bit, almost leaning back. That makes it more challenging to catch.
Got the crowd's attention.
And finishing full twist and double back. When she caught the bar, she was tilted back. That just adds force.
5. We didn't dream at that point they'd be dropping one of those scores, but it just got better, closing with 4 9-9s in a row, 9-9 plus. Peterson 9-7-7-5. Kayla Bird now, her 5th start in the floor lineup, including the last 4 meets in a row, and coming off a career high 9-8-5.
Combination, front layout to that front 1.5, right to that straddle jump out. See a lot of athletes working in and out of their passes so they don't get those landing deductions. Two and a half. Stepping a little bit to the left there on the landing. Kayla's just a freshman, so that's always great news when you time lots of rotation.
Another great rotation for Oregon State. Will it be